Okay, good morning. This is Open Source Software and Hardware DET 3107 Elective 1. Course outcomes to an introductory knowledge of concept of open and free software and hardware, introduction of the Arduino hardware, Raspberry Pi, Internet of the Things, IoT, to get an in-depth knowledge of Arduino software, IDE, simple programs, interfacing of basic hardware modules with Arduino, to acquire the knowledge of interfacing and programming of Arduino for ADC, DC motor, servo motor, Bluetooth, Zigbee, Wi-Fi and PWM programming, to understand the details regarding LaTeX software with its installation, programming, processing, software facilities useful for various document preparation, to understand the details regarding the Scilab software with its installation, programming, processing, console, editor, graphics window, software facilities useful for various technical calculations, to study KiCad as an electronic KiCad, electronic computer aided design ECAD tool for designing circuit schematic, electric rule checking, netlist generation, mapping components and designing PCBs. So yesterday we have discussed, in the previous lecture we have discussed the LaTeX commands and spacing. As we know, commands are created with percent symbol, and multiple spacing will be considered as single page spacing, and multiple blank lines also considered as single blank line, that we have discussed. This is the example. Text is there, then percent sign is there. After percent sign, unless and until enter is pressed, that is new line. Enter means new line. It is considered as comment only, isn't it? So from note comic irony in the very first sentence, this is the comment only, and after pressing the enter, that is new line, comma is there, so comma will come as a code. So comma, this acknowledged percent, acknowledged, and immediately comma will appear, isn't it? Then that continuous next line will be as it is. So that example we have seen. Two backslashes can be used to start a new line, that we have seen. And experiment with putting commands and black lines in document can be done. Then VSpace is there to add the blank space, isn't it? To add the blank space into document, we have to use VSpace. And again, VSpace we can give the font size, 12 point font or 10 point or 10.5 point or 11 point or 16 point, 14 point, whatever. So this is about the comments and spacing we have seen. Okay. Then the special characters, as we know on the laptop or system computer also, there are special characters on the buttons of numbers 0 to 9 and nearby numbers. So special characters are there, like exclamatory mark, at the rate, hash, dollar, percent, okay, cap, ampersand. Ampersand means and. Then asterisk is there. Asterisk means star. We call it as a star. Asterisk. Then closing round opening round bracket, closing round bracket. Then brace, opening brace, closing brace, or curly bracket, or square bracket, opening square bracket, closing square bracket, vertical line, slant line, backslash, slash, and all the punctuation marks, less than, greater than, isn't it? So these are the different symbols. These symbols are reserved characters. These symbols are reserved characters which have special meaning in LaTeX. In other languages also they are having some special meaning. In LaTeX also they are having special meaning. So hash is there. In C programming, embedded C, we have seen hash is used for including the libraries, isn't it? Inclusion, include library. So this is hash. In LaTeX also it is having its meaning. Hash, dollar, percent, cap, ampersand or and, dash, opening curly bracket, closing curly bracket. This is the wave or sinusoidal like symbol. This is backslash. All these apart from the backslash can be inserted as a character in the document by adding a prefix of backslash. So if you want to use these special symbols or special characters, reserved characters into the document as a part of the text. Suppose in text we have to write electronics and telecommunication, and we have to use this and ampersand. Okay, then we have to use backslash and. Then it will take as a only and in the document. So if you use the backslash and, then in document it will generate only and. Output will be and. But to get the output and, we have to use backslash and in the coding. So if you look at here, this is a code. Following is a code. So this is the code. This is coding. And after compiling, that means pressing the button of typeset, isn't it? After pressing the button of typeset, it get compiled and generate the PDF, isn't it? So after compiling, generating the PDF, output will be generated, and this output will be produced like this, isn't it? This is the output. So this is the code, and this is the output. Okay, code and output. So this code will have, suppose this percent sign, then it comment will start unless and until we have the enter or new new line symbol. Till then it will continually assume as the comment line. So if you observe this code and this output, you can very clearly see the comment. So from here to here, it is considering as a comment, and after new line from comma, it will consider again as a code, and it will appear in the output. So code will be there. In code, if you write the backslash and in code, output will be and. So if you want to output and in the text output PDF file, then in .txt file, that is the coding or input file, we have to input text, we have to write backslash ampersand. Similar for all other special symbols or characters. So apart from the backslash, if we consider all the symbols except the backslash, all the symbols can be written into text or inserted as a character in the text document by adding prefix backslash. Adding the prefix. So this is addition of prefix. Before ampersand we are writing backslash, means we are adding the prefix to ampersand as a backslash. So backslash is used as a prefix here. So backslash prefix backslash, and this symbol. Then prefix backslash and this symbol, dollar. Prefix symbol hash, prefix symbol dollar, prefix symbol percent sign, What is prefix symbol? Backslash. The prefix is backslash. To hash. Backslash hash, backslash dollar, backslash percent, backslash cap, curly brackets, backslash and, backslash underscore, backslash opening curly bracket, backslash closing curly bracket, backslash wave symbol and curly brackets. Note that you need to type a pair of curly brackets like this after the hat and tidal, wave or tidal. Otherwise, these will appear as accents over the following characters. Okay. For example, backslash cap E, that will produce accent E cap. Okay. So the hat or the tidal will appear as the letter and it's above it is hat, or it letter and above it is a wave or cap. Tidal. So for writing this, backslash cap E or backslash, it is not backslash, backslash tidal E is written. Then you will get E cap in the output and E wave or tidal in the output. If you print the cap only or the tidal only, then you have to write the curly bracket pair. You have to write the curly bracket pair along with hat as well as tidal, along with hat or cap as well as wave. Okay. So note that you need to type a pair of curly brackets after hat and tidal. Otherwise, these will appear as accents over the next characters. त्याच्यानंतर जे काय कॅरेक्टर असेल त्याच्यावर तो accent म्हणून ऍड होईल. Now, if we write this above code, suppose this is the code we are using. Okay, it will produce the output like this. It will produce the output like this, isn't it? So this will produce the output like this. Backslash hash will produce hash. Backslash dollar will produce dollar. Backslash percent will produce percent. Backslash hat and pair of curly brackets will produce hat. Backslash ampersand will produce ampersand. Backslash underscore produce underscore. Backslash opening curly bracket will produce opening curly bracket. Backslash closing curly bracket will produce closing curly bracket. Backslash tidal and a pair of curly bracket will produce backslash tidal. Pair of curly bracket is not used for tidal and hat. It will be becoming a accent on the letter, next letter. Okay. So this is where to understand, keep in mind special characters. Regarding the special characters, the backslash character, this backslash character cannot be entered by adding the prefix backslash like this. Backslash character cannot be entered by prefix backslash. Prefix backslash and character backslash, that is double backslash. It will become double backslash. But we know double backslash means what? Two backslash can be used to start new line. It will start the new line. Double backslash is used to start new line, isn't it? Double backslash will be used to start new line. The backslash character cannot be entered by adding a prefix backslash, isn't it? Two backslash. As this is used for line breaking as a new line. Use backslash text backslash. This command backslash text backslash TXTBACKSLASH text backslash command instead. So if you want to print the backslash into the text of the document, if you want to insert the backslash into the document, then we have to use this command backslash TXTBACKSLASH text backslash. We cannot use backslash. That is new line. It will generate the new line. It will start on new line, isn't it? We have seen that in the previous lecture also. Two backslash will use to start the new line. So this is about the text backslash. Okay. Now what is the action? Type a code to produce the following sentence in your document. Type a code to produce the following sentence in the document. So this is the following sentence. We have to type the code to produce this sentence. Okay. How to type this code to produce this output? This is the output. So we have to write ITEM, I capital TEM as it is. We have to give one space. It will generate one space. If you give 5 space, that also generate one space. Whatever space are given, it will be get converted to one space. Suppose one student write in the paper ITEM one space, then next for hash. But other student write ITEM 6 spaces and then for hash. Then 6 spaces answer will also correct because it will generate only one space, isn't it? So whatever number of spaces are there, it will be converted into single space. Both answers will be correct. So ITEM space. Then for hash, what we have to write the program? Backslash hash. Then we have to write 1 capital A. Then for backslash, we have to write this command backslash TXTBACKSLASH backslash text backslash. So it will generate the backslash. Then we will write the 642. Then 1 space, 2 space, 3 space, 5 space, whatever. It will generate 1 space. Then costs, COSTS. Then again space. Then for dollar, what will I write? Backslash dollar. We'll write backslash dollar. Then we'll write 8. Then space. Then backslash ampersand. Then space. Then is. Then space. Then sold. Then space. Then at. Then space. Then a. Then space. Then title is there. For title, what we have to write? Backslash title, a pair of curly bracket. Backslash title and a pair of curly bracket. Like this. Backslash title and pair of curly bracket. So it is written. Backslash title and pair of curly bracket. After curly bracket, what you to write? 10. Then backslash percent. Then space profit full stop. Okay. So this is the program in the .txt file. Okay. Ask the tutor to check the .txt file of your workbook. And if you need help, you can ask. Okay. This is the assignment given as an assignment. Okay. So this is assignment. Correct? And this assignment is in the special characters. How to use special characters? Backslash character. Only in case of hat and title, we have to use backslash special character and a pair of curly brackets. Then that hat and wave or title is considered as special character. Otherwise, they will be considered as accents and they will be appearing as the top of letter, next letter which is coming after this special character. And for writing or inserting the backslash into the document, we have to use command backslash BACK SLA SH, isn't it? Backslash text backslash TXT BACK SLA SH. So this is about the special characters. Then let us consider chapter 4, which is regarding the tables. How to generate tables. We have seen previous two lectures before last lecture how to prepare list. So now we'll check how to prepare table. As we know, the table is also very useful in the document. It gives a neat presentation in the document so that we can express the correlation between the various values, data, information among the various columns, maybe in same row or in different rows in the same column or otherwise. So table is also very important representation into the documents. So let us check the tables. So the tabular command is used to typeset the tables. What is the command? Tabular. Tabular is a command which is used to typeset the tables. By default, LaTeX tables are drawn without horizontal and vertical lines. You need to specify if you want the lines drawn. By default, if you do not specify, the vertical and horizontal lines will be kept blank. They are there but they are not drawn. They are not shown. If you want that specifically, we have to mention it. We have to specify it. So LaTeX determines the width of the column automatically. Column width is determined by LaTeX automatically. So this is the code starts the table. How to start the table? The code starts the table. Backslash begin curly bracket tabular curly bracket complete, again next curly bracket, and whatever we want to fill this curly bracket, second curly bracket. What the dots between the curly brackets are replaced by code defining the columns. This curly bracket, whatever the dots are there, they are replaced by code that is defining the columns. L, R, C are there. L for column of left aligned text. L for column of left aligned text. Okay. Like letter L, not remember number 1. L for column of left aligned text. You can write here L. You can write here R for column of right aligned text. One is left aligned, second is right aligned. C for column of center aligned. So left aligned, right aligned or center aligned. So vertical line for vertical line. So the symbol for vertical line. For example, L curly bracket L curly bracket complete. So that is left 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 will produce three columns of left aligned text. So in curly bracket, if we are writing L, that will produce left, 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 three columns of left aligned text with no vertical lines. Vertical lines by default are blank. No vertical lines are shown by default, and we have to ensure right there so that vertical lines of the tables, horizontal lines of the tables can be drawn into the output, can be available into the output. Otherwise, LaTeX makes it by default blank. Okay, this is about the vertical and horizontal lines. So curly bracket L, left, 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 that is left, 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 will produce three columns. Will produce the three columns of left aligned text with no vertical lines. While vertical line L, vertical line L, vertical line R, vertical line, that is vertical line left, L for left, vertical line left, vertical line R for right, and vertical line. This will produce three columns. The first two are left aligned, the third is right aligned. First two are left aligned, third is right aligned. Okay. And the vertical lines around each column. Okay. First two are left aligned, third is right aligned, and there are vertical lines around each column. The table data follows the \begin command. The table data follows the begin command, \begin. Okay. Ampersand is placed between two columns. Ampersand is placed between two columns. Double backslash is placed at the end of row to start the new line. Double backslash is placed at end of row to start the new line. Okay. रोच्या एंडला डबल स्लॅश जर आपण टाईप केलं तर तो रो एंड होईल आणि न्यू लाईनला कर्सर जाईल. म्हणजे टॅब्युलर मधले टेबल मधले जो डेटा आहे तो शेवटच्या कॉलम मध्ये संपला की आपण काय द्यायचं, डबल स्लॅश, आणि मग ते काय सांगेल, न्यू लाईन. नवीन लाईनला आपण परत कॉलम 1 पासून डेटा काय आहे तो भरूया. त्यानंतर एच लाईन इन्सर्ट्स द हॉरिझॉन्टल लाईन. व्हर्टिकल लाईनला हा सिंबल आहे, व्हर्टिकल सिंबल, व्हर्टिकल लाईन्स. व्हर्टिकल लाईन्स हा सिंबल आहे तो व्हर्टिकल लाईन साठी, आणि एच लाईन हा आहे तो हॉरिझॉन्टल लाईन साठी. हॉरिझॉन्टल लाईन साठी एच लाईन. बॅकस्लॅश CLINE 1-2 plain 1-2 insert the partial horizontal line between column 1 and 2. Okay. Backslash CLINE 1-2 inserts a partial horizontal line, partial horizontal line. Okay, C line 1-2 inserts the partial horizontal line between column 1 and column 2 because 1 and 2 are mentioned. C line, column line, C line, column line, from column 1 to column line. column 2. C line, backslash C line means column lines. How many columns? 1 to 2, 1 and 2. If you write 1 to 3, 3 columns will be drawn with partial horizontal line, column line, C line, column line. The command backslash A in tabular finishes the table. The command begin starts the table. Begin tabular starts the table. Begin tabular starts the table. A in tabular finishes the table. The command A in tabular finishes the table. Now this is the example of tabular code resulting table. Tabular code example is there and resulting table is there. So this is the code and output. This is the code, this is the output. Backslash begin tabular, curly bracket complete. It is the beginning of the tabular table. Then curly bracket, vertical line L, vertical line L, vertical line, curly bracket complete. So one vertical line will be there, second vertical line will be there, third vertical line, and curly bracket closed. No horizontal line is there. No horizontal line is there. H line is not there. Then text is there, apple ampersand green. So ampersand indicates what? Ampersand is placed between two columns. Placed between two columns. So apple ampersand green. Apples and green. So apples goes into one column, green goes into other column. Two columns are all left aligned. Strawberries and red, strawberries and red. Oranges and orange, oranges and orange. End tabular. It is end tabular. End tabular means table is ended. Tabular command ended. So to draw the table, this is the code. To draw the command table, this is the code. It is called tabular code. Tabular code will result tables, will generate tables. Backslash tabular, in curly bracket, the number of columns and whether it is left aligned, right aligned, center aligned, etc. The text will be there. After each end of the columns, we will give the double backslash, which is new line, double backslash, new line, double backslash, new line. Similarly, this is the code, this is the output. Check it. Backslash begin tabular. Table is started. Curly bracket R and C. Two columns are there without vertical lines. Without vertical lines, two backslash are there. So what do you mean by backslash? Backslash is placed at the end of the row, start of new one. So apple and green, double backslash, end of the line. Backslash H line, horizontal line. Okay, apple and green, then horizontal line. Then strawberries and red, new line, double backslash. And backslash C line, that is column line, only for column. How many column? 1 to 1, only first column. Strawberries and red, below that only for first column there will be horizontal line, column line. The next is oranges, ampersand orange. Oranges, apple and ampersand green, strawberries ampersand red, oranges ampersand oranges, oranges and oranges, and tabular. Then there is and tabular. This apple ampersand green, strawberries ampersand red, oranges ampersand orange. This ampersand or and, apples and green, strawberries and red, oranges and orange. This and is telling a data for next column. Okay. So this is also output. This is first is also output of these two programs or these two codes. Okay. Begin tabular, backslash begin tabular, curly bracket complete, curly bracket, vertical line L, vertical line L, vertical line, curly bracket closed. Strawberry and red, apple and green, oranges and orange. Backslash begin tabular, R and C. R is what? C is what? Right and center aligned. Right aligned, center aligned. L is for left aligned. R is for right aligned. C is for center aligned. R and C, vertical line for vertical line. So R and C, right aligned, center aligned. So this is right aligned. So for this particular column, it is right aligned, and this is center aligned. Green, red, orange is center aligned. You understood? Center aligned means center. You can go for any editing software like what Microsoft Word, and there you can find other alignments. Justified, center align, align, right align, left align. Justified, center align, right align, left align. Okay. Now begin tabular, curly bracket, vertical line R, vertical line L, vertical line curly bracket. One more code is there to produce some other table. Let us see this table, which is again some different interesting table is there. Backslash begin tabular, curly bracket, vertical line R, vertical line L, vertical line, curly bracket closed. So there are two columns, R and L. One is right aligned, one is left aligned. So right aligned. So alignment, see this alignment. This is right aligned. All 8, 6, 8 are just one below other and on the other side. Right aligned. And here H, S, N. These are just aligned on left side. So 886 2008, all 868, they are aligned on right side. They are aligned on left side. So right aligned, left aligned. Now this vertical line, vertical line, vertical line. 3 vertical lines shows 3 lines in the table which are vertical. Then there is a horizontal line. Why for horizontal line is there? To draw this particular line, H line, backslash H line draws this line. Then there is a and ampersand here is, and 8 and here is, 8 and here is, and ampersand will be taking this to next column, taking the data to next column. Then double backslash. Double backslash means after here is there is new line. Then after 8 and here is new line, there is a backslash C line, column line, and that is from 2 to 2, second column to second column. So this is the new line, C line, 2 to 2, second column to second column. Okay. So there will be C line 2 to 2, then there will be 86 and stuff, 86 and stuff, double backslash, again goes to new line. After 86 and stuff, there is a backslash H line and again backslash H line, 2 times backslash H line, 2 horizontal lines. So here you can observe there are 2 horizontal lines, one after other. So here you can observe 2 horizontal lines, one after other, 2 H lines, backslash H line, backslash H line. Then 2008 ampersand now, 2008 and now, double backslash. So in third row there will be in the table, third row of the table, 2008 is there, now is there, ampersand now, ampersand gives next column, 2008 now, and there is a H line, one horizontal line, and there is a end tabular, table ends. So this is the table output, very interesting table output. Begin tabular, vertical line R, vertical line L, vertical line, then backslash H line, then 8 ampersand here's, double backslash, new line la jailte, backslash C line, column line, 2-2. So only second column. After here's second column, there will be horizontal line or column line we can say. Then there is 86 ampersand stuff, double backslash, new line, 86 stuff in next column and new line. Then there are 2 H lines, backslash H line, backslash H line, that will generate the horizontal line like this. You can observe. Then 2008 ampersand now. So on one column 2008 is written, on next column now is written, and then carriage return is there, double backslash. Then there is a horizontal line, H line, and tabular, end tabular, table ends. Okay, table ends. So we have seen 3 different codes for generating tables and their outputs also. These are the outputs. Code output, code output, code output. So this is code, this is output. In this case, this is code and this is output. This is also code, output. For tables. Now we can have the practical. Okay, we can have the practical. What is the task? What is the action? So this is action. Write the code to produce following table. Write the code to produce following table. So table is given, item, quantity, price in dollars. In bracket there is a dollar. So bracket is a special symbol, dollar is a special symbol, and one more bracket, round bracket, is also special symbol. So how to write special symbol, how to insert the special symbol in the document, we have discussed just now in the same lecture, at the start of the lecture. Okay. So under the items, nails are there, wooden boards are there, bricks are there. Under quantity, 500, 100, 240 are there. Price, dollar, 0.34, 4.00, 11.50, isn't it? Practicals. We have to do this. Write the code for this then. Begin tabular. Okay. This is one more. This is one more output. This is output. We have to produce this output with code. So we have to write the code for this also. If you need help, you can ask to your teacher. Okay. Tables. Begin tabular. How many columns? 1, 2, 3. So we have to curly bracket, and this is left align, L. This is right align, this is R. This is right align, this is R. No vertical line, there is a vertical line, there is a vertical line, and no vertical line. So we have to write the code begin tabular, and we have to write no vertical line, then L means left align, then vertical line is there, then right align R, then again vertical line is there, and again R, but after that no vertical line. So in this way we have to generate the table, isn't it? So backslash begin tabular, in second curly bracket, L vertical line R, vertical line R, bracket, curly bracket closed. So this will generate the table. Then there is no horizontal line, and then we can write directly the text in this. What is the text? Nails ampersand 500 ampersand 0.34. Sorry, we have to write first atom, quantity, price. Atom ampersand quantity ampersand price backslash round bracket backslash dollar backslash closing up round bracket. So with the help of backslash we can write or insert the special character into the document. Then there is a horizontal line backslash h line. Then nails ampersand 500 ampersand 0.34. Then there is no horizontal line. Then wooden boards ampersand 100 ampersand 4.00. No horizontal line. Then bricks ampersand 240 ampersand 11.50. In this way you can write the code for begin tabular. Then end tabular is there last. Okay, so this is about generating the tables. So similarly you can think of this table. There is a C line used here, C line, isn't it? Column line from column second, third, fourth. Only 3 columns the C line is used. H line means for horizontal line for all the columns, but C line means after C line whatever the number of columns defined or given, only those columns will be considered and drawn the column line, horizontal line. Okay. So this is second table. You have to think over it and write the program. Here no data is there, ampersand, no data is there, ampersand year, ampersand no data. No data means space. You have to use space. Then there is a C line from 2 to 4. then city ampersand 2006 ampersand 2007 ampersand 8, then H line, then London ampersand this 45789 ampersand 4651 ampersand 51298, no horizontal line, double backslash. Double backslash takes to new line, isn't it? So first is left align, then vertical line, then right align, then vertical line, then sorry, central line, no vertical line, central line, no vertical line, central line. This is only left align. Other 1, 2, 3 columns are central line. Okay. So in this way we can generate the table with the help of command tabular. The command tabular is used for generating the table. The tabular command is used to generate the table, to typeset the table, and by default the latex tables are drawn without horizontal and vertical lines unless and otherwise they are specified. You need to specify if you want the lines to draw. Okay. By default latex tables are drawn without horizontal and vertical lines. You need to specify if you want to want lines drawn. And latex determines the widths of the columns automatically. Column widths will be determined automatically. Okay. So this is about the details of table. Tabular command used for typesetting the tables. टेबल तयार करण्यासाठी टॅब्युलर कमांड वापरली जाते. बॅकस्लॅश बिगुन टॅब्युलर, then there will be curly bracket in front of that, and there we have to define the columns, number of columns. आणि बाय डिफॉल्ट लॅटेक्स टेबल हे हॉरिझॉन्टल आणि व्हर्टिकल लाईन ड्रॉ करत नाहीत. टेबल्स आर ड्रॉन विदाउट हॉरिझॉन्टल अँड व्हर्टिकल लाईन्स. आणि जर आपल्याला पाहिजे असतील तर आपल्याला स्पेसिफाय करायला लागतात. लॅटेक्स आहे ते विड्थ ऑफ कॉलम हे ऑटोमॅटिकली डिसाइड करतं. सो नो नीड टू टेक केअर ऑफ विड्थ ऑफ कॉलम. कोड स्टार्ट करण्यासाठी, टेबल स्टार्ट करण्यासाठी हा कोड आहे. बिगिन टॅब्युलर आणि कर्ली ब्रॅकेट. कर्ली ब्रॅकेट मध्ये नंबर ऑफ कॉलम्स द्यायचे आहेत. व्हर्टिकल लाईन आहेत की नाही ते सांगायचं आहे. लास्ट कर्ली ब्रॅकेट मध्ये कसं द्यायचं तर एल किंवा आर किंवा सी आणि व्हर्टिकल लाईन पण लिहायची आहे. एल आर सी काय सांगतं? एल कॉलम ऑफ लेफ्ट अलाइन टेक्स्ट, आर कॉलम ऑफ राइट अलाइन टेक्स्ट, सी कॉलम ऑफ सेंटर अलाइन टेक्स्ट. Okay, so this is L. It is letter L and not number 1. Number 1 नाही, हा लेटर L आहे. बरोबर ना? वर्टिकल लाईन आहे. Suppose L is used left, then 3 columns will be generated without vertical line. All are left aligned. If vertical line L, vertical line L, vertical line R there, then vertical line left, vertical line right, and vertical line are used, are generated. So left align, right align, and all these 3 columns will have 4 vertical lines in this way. Okay, So whatever the data of table is there will be after this begin command. And ampersand is used for what? In between the data of two different columns. Separate the data of two different columns. Ampersand is placed between two columns. Ampersand is used to separate data of two columns. Why the backslash is used? Double backslash, we know double backslash is new line. Double backslash is placed at the end of row to start the new one. H line is for horizontal line drawing. C line is for column line drawing. Column line are limited from one column to two column. Here it is shown from one column to next some columns. We can write the numbers. So it is inserting a partial horizontal line between column 1 and column 2 in this way. And there will be end tabular. There will be end tabular. Okay. So three codes we have discussed. After end tabular, table ends. And these are the examples. We have discussed this. Begin tabular is there, then columns are there. These columns are having vertical lines. Both columns are left aligned. And after begin, there will be data of the table. Apples, ampersand green. Ampersand or and indicates the separation of two columns. Apple and green. So one column it is apple, second column it is written green. Double backslash, it is taken to next line, new line. Strawberries and red, new line. Oranges and orange, new line. So apple in first column, green in second column, strawberries in first column, red in second column. Oranges in first column, orange in second column. So fruit and its color is written, isn't it? Apple green, strawberries red, oranges orange. And then backslash end tabular. So only vertical lines are there or columns. No horizontal lines are there in this first example, isn't it? In first example, only vertical lines are there. No horizontal lines are provided, are there. Correct? Then in the second example, again backslash begin tabular RC, right aligned, center aligned. So apple, strawberries, oranges are right aligned. Right aligned means they are aligned in right side. And these are center aligned. Center aligned means what? They are aligned at center. Okay. No vertical lines are there. Okay. No vertical lines are there. So only R and C, no vertical lines. Then data in the table, apples and green, double backslash. Then there is a horizontal line. Horizontal line completes drawn from first to end, start to end of the columns, all the columns. Horizontal line is for complete table, H line, complete table. Then strawberries and red, double backslash. Strawberries and red, double backslash. Then there is only C line, column line, from 1 to 1, first column to first column, only one column, column number 1. So C line 1 to 2 in this table will be equivalent to H line, column line 1 to 2, because only two columns are there and both the columns are drawn the column line. So that means it is nothing but H line. H line is for complete table, isn't it? Then there is oranges and oranges, double backslash, oranges and orange, double backslash, end tabular. So this is second example and this is third example. Beginning of table, tabular, R, L, right alignment, left alignment, all three columns are vertical lines. Then horizontal line is there, then 8 and here is there. Then C line only for second column is there. Then 86 and stuff is there. Then double H line are there. Then 2008 and now are there, double backslash. Then H line is there and end tabular, isn't it? Okay, these are the examples, and then practical. This is one practical. We have solved also these practicals. Okay, you have to write it as an example, as an assignment. Write it as an assignment and upload to the link provided. Okay, I will provide the link after the lecture. Okay, assignment. These two tables you have to write the code of the table and upload it. You write it in the notebook, make its PDF and upload it. On single page also, or two different pages also you can. First write this practical question, then write the code, okay, and upload it by making the PDF. Okay. Okay, then we will stop here for today. Open source software and hardware lecture. Thank you.